Hi guys, good evening. Wait for a few minutes, others will join. Balaji, please mute. Hi guys, good evening. Wait for a few minutes, others will join. Balaji, please mute. Hi guys, good evening. Wait for a few minutes, others will join. Balaji, please mute. Yeah, hi all. I'm audible. Please confirm me in chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi guys, good evening. Wait for a few minutes, others will join. Balaji, please mute. Please confirm me in my chat box. Yeah, hi all. I'm audible. Please confirm me in chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi guys, good evening. Wait for a few minutes, others will join. Balaji, please mute. Please confirm me in my chat box. Guys, I'm audible. Guys, please confirm me in chat box. Yeah, hi all. I'm audible. Please confirm me in chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi guys, good evening. Wait for a few minutes, others will join. Balaji, please mute. Please confirm me in my chat box. Guys, I'm audible. Guys, please confirm me in chat box. Yeah, hi all. I'm audible. Please confirm me in chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi guys, good evening. Wait for a few minutes, others will join. Balaji, please mute. Please confirm me in my chat box. Guys, I'm Hi guys, good evening. Sorry for the delay. Welcome all to our AllPro trainings. I'm Uma from AllPro trainings. A warm welcome to each and everyone who is joining this masterclass. Welcome Arjun, welcome Ravi, welcome Praveen, welcome Nishant. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to give the introduction about our AllPro trainings. The full form of AllPro training is All Professional Training. We are providing all kind of training, especially in IT industry itself and electrical and electronics field also. Take it in IT industry itself, we are providing more than top 100 technologies in the world. We have already trained more than 11,500 students all over the world, especially in USA, European countries, and all over the India. We are providing the 3 types of trainings. One is masterclass, that is you are joined now. Second one is flash course, which is for 10 hours. And third one is full course, which is an average of 30 plus hours. So first one is student introduction. Please, guys, please introduce yourself in chat box. Your name, you are working professional or student. Please introduce yourself in chat box. Kindly introduce yourself. Guys, kindly introduce yourself. Hello guys, I'm audible. Yes, thank you guys. Next, we are going to see the webinar agenda. So first one is participant introduction. So you are introducing yourself in chat box. Second one is webinar content, that is 45 minutes. Third one is query session for 20 minutes. And fourth one is student guide, that is what are the teaching methodology we are following, that is for 5 minutes. And the APT offers, who are all joined the webinar, we give the special offers, that is for discussion in 5 minutes. And last one is queries and feedback form. Who are all filling the feedback form properly, you get a e-certificate. So let's start the webinar. Before start the webinar, I will share about one AllPro trainings video. Kindly watch. Thank you for watching. Yes, now trainer introduction. The trainer name is Monia. He is having a vast experience in the IT field. He have trained more than 150 students all over the world. His students are placed in various MNCs. Welcome, Modia. Welcome, sir.
Okay. Hello. Thanks for
Hello.
the slot. Welcome. Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Thank you Emma, for this introduction. Yes. To give you like brief about me, what Uma said. I have been an Azure admin as well as an cloud admin. I have done various roles. Currently, I'm more into an Azure and Azure DevOps. So that's just a small intro about myself. So I'll just give you like brief how the course contents look like what are the important topics which we'll be covering. Okay. Uma, can you just share the screen?
Yes, Monia, can you able to see my screen?
Hint address go to no.
Okay, okay. Yes, Monia, start.
Okay. Thank you, Uma.
Okay.
So yeah. So guys, like we'll be starting with an Azure. So I think the course content is almost towards an Azure admin. So we'll be saying in-depth Azure concepts, be it IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Um, so if you say like, we know like first we'll understand what is cloud and what is the approach for the computing. Yeah. So we'll be covering the cloud computing concepts. So I make you understand what's the cloud computing on a normal thing. Let's consider like we have like our own machines, right? But what if you want to have something which can be accessed remotely where it was as much efficient and faster ways? So that's what where the cloud comes in the picture. So the cloud is nothing but it's a replication or the by accessing some other remote servers or the remote systems which can be accessed through internet. So they are so that's a like normal understanding of the cloud. We will see like I will tell in deep about when we go into the course in deep. So then we'll see the cloud computing concepts, IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. IaaS means infrastructure as a service, where in to give a general terms, it gives a service where we can design our own system, beginning from the what do you say, RAM and all. And platform as service is something where it gives like a certain platform setup with a basic requirements. Let's consider there is a Windows machine which can be had a minimum RAM and storage of 20 GB and all. So that's what the PaaS is mean. And for a SaaS, it's a software as service. So what are the web applications or what are the Android apps all we are using? Those are all called software as a service. Can you just scroll down? Yeah. So these are the cloud service models, on-premise, infrastructure, platform, and software. So that's a like clear, breakdown of what each and everything were. Then the next also like cloud services, it's also the same like how understand like it's based on a dining table or the like how we will take the considerations when what we need and all. Come on, scroll down please. Much. Go to fifth, sixth. Yeah. So why cloud? So why cloud in the sense we can rapidly set up the environments. So we can able to meet the demands which we have, and also like it also like you can efficiently handle the daily needs at a reduced cost. Okay. Then can we go next one? So infrastructure design for scale. So in Azure, one of the major reasons like the its availability zones and also like how many things. So these all terminologies like the availability zones, the regions, and everything we'll be discussing much more when during the things. But for now, availability zones is nothing but where their data centers are located. Okay, so they are like currently in the 38 regions are open as of today. Uh, so there is a difference when it comes to Azure. The one of the things in Azure is mainly concentrated on the uh, PaaS and SaaS services, which are very strong in that Azure. IaaS also they were strong, but the thing is like more of the like IT companies and everything that mostly depend on the PaaS and SaaS of the Azure, because the options, the various amounts of they are like wide number of resources availability. You don't have, even if you find any kind of issues, it can be resolved less than 20 to 48 hours. So the resolution speed and everything were like much faster when compared to other services. So in Azure, one of the few terms which we say like a hyperscale, enterprise proven, and hybrid. So what does this mean? Like it's a mixture of everything. Like it can able to go, we can able to integrate Azure into any of the services and all. So like we'll see like when you can see the next slide where you can see the journey of to cloud. So it is in develop. So for each and everything there is a certain thing. That's what I listed down there. For a developer and app platform, we have Azure App Service and the Visual Studio family. For data analytics, we have Cortana Analytics Suite. For IoT, we have Azure IoT. For cloud infrastructure, we have Azure Stack and Operations Management Suite. Can you scroll down, Mama? Yeah, go down. Good. So Azure portal. So what the Azure portal usually looks like, what are the main contents is like, I wish I could show you right now, but due to some issue with my laptop, I can't able to log into the Azure services now. So Azure, like you will see like a lot of contents such as we have missions, we have like Azure App Services, we have ARM templates and everything. So while let's see like, and one of the things was an Azure App Service, it's mostly used by the developers team. Why it is for? So it has a .NET, Java, Node.js. It can able to integrate into any of those things, and also it has an auto patching, auto scale. It can auto be scaling. Auto scaling in a sense, it can be increased. Okay. Then it can integrate with existing apps, and also we can do a continuous deployment. continuous deployment is nothing but if there are any new changes are happening in your application code, you can change the same codes. Can I scroll down? Yeah, so these are like few services which you see in that. Give me a second, guys. Hang on. Background sound is high. Is it clear now? I think it will be little more audible and clear when compared to previous one.
Background noise is coming again.
Yeah.
It's very noisy. Background noise.
Yeah, I'm having like serious trouble with the internet, so I had to come out. So I have to bear with the traffic. But you are able to hear me, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, cool. I'll try to wrap these things fast so that I can able to answer the questions. So can you just scroll down? Yes, but not clearly getting things. Okay. What shall we do? Like, should we continue or can you all join at some other point? Okay. So yeah, so these are the app service web apps. So what are like we can able to do a simple start and port smart go live. So it also like Azure provides an end-to-end solution for any kind of issues or the problems which can't be solved on an on-premise machines. So one of the things for like where we mainly concentrate on the Azure App Services, VMs and all. I don't want to get into in such details at this point of this. Uma, can you scroll down a more? Just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Yes. Yeah. So these are like few service examples which can be done. But when you are like when you take the course and everything, like I will make sure that you get in and out of Azure. You will be confident enough to clear the certification exams to whatever like either 104 or either 204, the expert and it was like the beginner and an expert level certifications in Azure point of view. So that's just like small intro. So you'll be learning all the services in an Azure portal, starting from the VMs, configuring the VNets. VNet is nothing but virtual networks, IP addressing and all. So we'll be handling all these things. So thank you for that. I can stop screen.
Shall I stop the screen?
Yes, you can stop the screen. And if you have any doubts with respect to the course, feel free to ask me.
Guys, do you have any queries, please ask. Yes, guys, please. Yes, Maude, can you say the overall about Azure?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Can you say why is Azure is using the career opportunities in Azure? Can you share this?
Okay, for the opportunities in Azure is vast because like these days everyone are like asking for the cloud, and also Azure is one of the like Microsoft is being like prominent in that in case because before AWS and everything, Azure is the first one who have entered the cloud and they have conquered the whole thing. So like and also like whenever we're going for like let's consider an Azure admin as an Azure IAM expert or the Azure DevOps. So whatever the roles may be, whatever the things you take in an IT's point of view, everything is related to the cloud. And if you know Azure, Azure is like a strong basement for any cloud. So if you know Azure, you can able to crack any kind of interviews, and you'll get a lot of growth opportunities, and also like once you get into the cloud.
So what are the career opportunities? Once we completed the Azure certifications, what are the career opportunities having in Azure?
The career opportunities you can choose a lot of ways. One of the most common, like one of the most popular thing that requires as an try for an Azure admin. So Azure admin help they mostly handle. So what I just give a gist of like how it looks like. So they'll be handling all the virtual machines, networking and all. So it will the amount of requirement for the cloud admins or the Azure admins, it's very high these days because like day to day they are like all the on-premise projects are moving into the cloud. So it's been a tough to be in the competition. We have to adopt the new techniques and everything.
Okay, what are the
So
certifications available in Azure? Can you clearly explain
in
that?
Azure, for Azure, the beginner exam will be AZ 900. This is an Azure Basics. Then it will be AZ 104 or 204. It is Azure Admin and Azure Developer. After any one of after and there is one thing called as an AZ 304. Sorry, AZ 404. AZ 404 is an Azure Expert level. And also, once you finish AZ 900 and AZ 104, you have like various vast opportunities to explore other Azure things. Like if you want to get into Azure security, you have the data security. If you got into data science, you have data science. If you want to get into an IoT or the artificial intelligence, you can do anything based out of these certificates.
Yeah, your voice is not clear, not audible. Also, background noise is saying heavy.
I am so sorry about that, but there is like a lot of accent happen over here, so that's the issue. Do one thing. I will ping in the chat. That works, I think. These are only questions that I'll answer in the chat.
No more, yeah, just clear in now. I need clear in that.
Sorry.
Your voice is not clear. Just move some other place to better to hear your voice. Hello. Is there?
Yeah, can you hear now?
Yeah, yes, better.
Yeah, so in Azure we have Azure 900, Azure 104, 204. So Azure 900 is a beginner exam where we'll be it's all there about the basic Azure questions related. All will be MCQs. Whereas Azure 104 and 204 are intermediate level exams where it is related to Azure admin and Azure developer. So these certificate badges are all you want to get into the Azure developer part. And also, like if you do it is at 900, you have an opportunity to work on any. You can take any certification related to your dream. Like if you want to get into data science with an Azure background, there is a certification GP 204, and we have something for an IoT data science and all. So doing the certificate also makes your resume much valuable and also make the HR team notice like you get certificate notified so that you will be shortlisted and you will be on a priority basis based out of your certifications.
Okay. So what is different between AWS and Azure? Which one is best, Azure or AWS?
Uh, I think like first to answer that question, there is nothing called as like in my point of view, both are the best because the services which AWS gives and the services which Azure gives, they were very vast, and they are also like only whole. Let's put it like this way. Uh, the main idea about all this was the same. Yeah, the main infrastructure behind all this are same. The only thing that changes are the naming conventions between both those two, and few the way of handling. So Azure is based out of C Sharp and .NET, and AWS is based out of Linux. So it's up to one's point of view which they want to learn and they want to excel in that. So for me, like for both of the first.
Okay. There are any tools in Azure? We are using any tools?
Yeah, like I work on all the Azure tools, whatever they like almost like I work on 10 to 15 days of my work hours. Uh, and when it comes to training point of view, we'll also work on the full services which Azure gives and on a free subscription basis. We'll be seeing and we're also doing a hands-on lab experiences.
Okay. So any functions particularly in Azure? Any functions? What are the functions in Azure?
Sorry, I didn't get you. What functions you're talking about?
Suresh Babu is asking one question. What is storage account? Why do we use it?
Um, Storage accounts. Okay. Let me put in this way that see you are trying to access some kind of data, right? Which you don't have. Let's consider you have a okay. You are in a gated community and you don't have any access keys to do that. So you first that you need some kind of roles and permissions for like you need to get into that particular gated community. Then these storage and okay, like how to give a better understanding of this. Yeah, so based on roles and everything defined for us, uh, then we will be storing like we'll be moving into that flat, right? Whatever the flat in that particular area. So these storage accounts help us in maintaining the secrecy of all the training of all the accounts which we're handling. Let's consider I have a main subscription and I don't want to reveal that to everyone. So these storage accounts helps us in that way. So instead of like having all the things in one place, I store in a different ways so that whenever I lost something, I can able to recover it back also. Like it's kind of there are many things in there. There is a replication, there is a restoration, backup, and everything in storage accounts.
Okay. Next, do you have any queries? So what are the different components of Azure to learn? Learn to master and grab the job opportunity.
They are like to learn that first you have like we need to learn each and every service in Azure. So with respect to your infrastructure, networking, uh, you are handling the roles and responsibilities, server management, and everything. So if you are strong with all the Azure services, you can able to you can the more you practice, the more you master it, and also you can able to you will get a short list of a lot of opportunities to strong with the technical skills.
Guys, do you have any queries? What is blob, linked services, and activities?
What is?
Blob.
Okay. It's kind of object store system which we call. So it's like a very vast topic, but to put in simple, blob storage is something where you have some objects stored over there, and it'll be handling all your storage accounts using that, or like whatever the data you have, like using SQLDBA and everything. You know, like in our databases, there are different things and everything. So blob is also one of them, but it is like more than an object storage.
Okay. What are the activities?
Activities of?
In Azure, having some activities now. They are asking like this. What is
Azure,
blob?
like
Yes.
activities like whatever you're performing, this all comes under activities, right? Whatever the things you'll be handling, whether if even if you're logging for these things, you have like access, you have will performing this all these activities. So most on a day-to-day activities, it will be like monitoring, PM provisioning, storage account handling. So we'll be handling like these are like on day-to-day activities.
Okay. Any other queries? Kindly ping me in chat box. Raise your hands. I will unmute it and ask the queries. Okay. Thank you, Moria. One more query.
Yeah, ask.
Can you explain the workflow of Azure?
Workflow of an Azure, it is like very complex topic. I can't cover that in this question right now. Because like for that you need to understand the cloud computing concepts and how the Azure is performing the cloud computing actions and everything. The workflow changes for each service in an Azure also. Like the workflow for an VM is different, the workflow from an app service is different, the ARM is different and everything.
Okay. Any other query, guys? Okay, Maria. Thank you. This is very interactive session, right? Question and QA session, right? So I share one of our Azure student video feedback. Kindly watch.
Hi, I'm Vignesh. I joined in Azure admin course in AllPro Training Institute. My trainer is Ramesh sir. I am really grateful to our trainer. We had a great interactive sections. Our trainer was very friendly so that we could coordinate with him at any time. He engaged with us irrespective of his time and clarify our doubts. Daily we had a 15 minutes question and answer sections. He trained us with the interview questions and also teach real-time examples to us. So thanks to Ramesh sir and AllPro Training Institute.
Thanks for watching. I am going to share our APT guide. What are the teaching methodologies we are follow that? We will see that in 5 minutes. My screen is visible to everyone? Okay. So we are following 5 courses. First one is simple learning methodology. Second one is student recall. Third one is creative explanation. Fourth one is fingertip materials. Fifth one is additional bonuses. In simple learning methodology, we have following 6 sessions. That is for 75 minutes. Daily classes having 75 minutes. Session 1, 10 minutes for session 1. Yesterday class notes, they are revision in that session 1 and doubt clearance sessions also. And session 2 for 20 minutes. Today's class topic covered by the trainer. And session 3 for 15 minutes. Student practice time. That is the practical sessions in 15 minutes in front of the trainer. And session 4 is 15 minutes for today's class topic is again covered by the trainer. And session 5 is 10 minutes for again student practice time. That is the practical session. And session 6 is 6 for 5 minutes student recall session. So what are the topics trainer covered in that session? That it should be explained in front of the trainer. So totally the 75 minutes for each day. Simple learning methodology. So 5% of knowledge we are getting the lectures and 50% of knowledge we are getting the discussion, reading, all those things. But 90% of knowledge to teach to others, we are getting 90% of knowledge. So we have designed to that session 6. Creative explanation. That is the e-learning, e-coaching, collab learning, and virtual classroom. It's all under coming the creative explanation. So e-learning means all the notes are having in a Google. So what are the tools we are using? Where we search the notes, all those things covered in that e-learning. And e-coaching, that is e-coaching that classes conducting through the Zoom and Skype. Collab learning, chat and discussions of forums should be discussed in collab learning, and virtual classroom, that is the group coaching and like online classes. So OneNotes is nothing but whether trainer teach you those topics, notes will be taken in OneNotes. Those OneNotes will be given to you after every class. And class notes will be the pictorial representation and diagrammatic flow explanation and whole training text in a whole single notebook. Fingertip materials. So daily class notes and video recordings, and we are using licensed software, means we are providing licensed software also. So all those things we are providing. So these notes are available in common cloud drive. We give the access to drive. You downloaded the video recordings and software, all those things. Additional bonuses. Free mock interview will be conducted. Lifelong community support we are giving, job links, resume preparation help, professional certification guidance, and getting job via AllPro consultancy. Yes, now we are going to see some of our student feedback. This is Selenium student feedback. She completed the Selenium course in our center. She said got very good guidance and support from trainers. Will definitely recommend it to people who needed to develop their skill and switch with their better hike. She placed in 120% hike in MNC. And she is one of the Python student feedback. She doesn't have any coding knowledge. After she completing the course, she have a code knowledge. So she said that hope this will be helpful in future job. And Blue Prism student feedback. He completed the Blue Prism code in our center. He satisfied, 100% satisfied. She referred to AllPro trainings to learn. They have to so many courses and very professional trainers. So this is UiPath student feedback. He completed UiPath training. It's a good learning experience. Really, they were teaching is excellent with good interaction. They have to provide clear knowledge about all the topics. They help me to improve my skill, especially in clearing doubts. Sharing recorded class notes and documents. Overall, very informative sessions. Thanks to AllPro trainings. He shared their feedbacks. And this is one of our SQLDBA student feedback. He completed the SQLDBA course in our center. This is one of our Blue Prism student, USS student feedback. He felt like 100% worth of money I paid. I recommended you to choose AllPro training to your better future. This is a SQL student. He is a working professional. He is working in a non-technical. So he completed the course in SQL. After that, he changed to his career in IT. This is non-IT experienced student. This is also. So this is SAP student feedback. This is one of the Java student feedback. He completed the Java course in our training center and placed in MNC. Thank you. Now we are discuss about the AP trainings, AllPro trainings offers. So we are training medium is either Skype and Zoom. And normal training model, we are having three types of training. One is masterclass you are attending now, and full course and flash course. Full course is 35 plus hours, maximum we covered 40 hours. So 30 classes, each 75 minutes per each day. And flash course for 8 hours or to 10 hours. Both training medium is either Skype or Zoom. So what is the market price of the course? Can you reply in chat box? So Microsoft Azure is in marketplace 25K to 30K they are charged, and flash course is 6K to 8K charge. So can you guess that what is our AP training price? Can you reply me in chat box? Guys, please respond. 5K. So our AllPro training price is full course for 20K and flash course for 5K. This is normally charged via that. So who are attending the webinar? Next one is the special offer. So 50% offer. This is for 1 week discount offer. So who are all joining in 1 week? We provide the full course for 15K and flash course for 4K. So this is only who are attending the webinar. We providing the special offer. So make use of this offer. This is for 1 week offer. And next one offer is going to become. So 60% of offer. This is the 60 minutes offer. So who are all joining the 60 minutes, full course is 13K only and flash course is 999. So make use of this. So Azure importance, you know, I think. So who want to join, please initial token advance 1,000 rupees paid and send me the screenshot to me and join the full course. And flash course for 999 and full course for 30K. That is for 60 minutes offer. So 60% offers this. So make use of this, guys. So special bonuses, free interview session we are conducted, resume preparation help, professional certification guidance we are provided by the trainer, lifelong community support and LinkedIn recommendation, job guidance also we are providing. So your special advantage, clear your queries at any time with the trainer, training at your preferred time, recorded videos and daily class notes, all documents will be provided you. Okay. So you are a fresher, you get a 50% of knowledge or 50% of salary, 2.5 lakh only you get. But you completed the course, you get 100% of salary. So you're having 6 years of experience means you get a 60% of salary only. You suppose you are completed the course, you get end-to-end knowledge, so you get 100% of salary. So think, guys. So 16 minutes offer for full course is 13K and flash course for 999, and 1 week offer for full course is 15K and flash course for 4K. So one small step can change your life. Thank you. This is our payment link. So kindly use this offer. This is our UPI ID and Paytm Google Pay number. For all interested to join, please send me the screenshot to this number. Once you paid, make me the screenshot to number. So feedback link in your chat box, kindly fill the feedback form. So give the proper mail ID. So after that only you get a e-certificate. Otherwise you didn't get a certificate. If you have any queries and course clarifications, course details, please contact to given number. Yes, this is 60 minutes offer. Please make use of this. So full course is 13K and flash course for 999. And 1 week offer is full course for 15K and flash course for 4K. So give me your correct email address, then only you get a certificate. You get a certificate within a week. If you have any queries, please ask. If you have any queries, clarification, please ask. So your 16 minutes offer going to be end soon. Yes, link already in chat box. Manoj, link already sending chat. Please check your chat box. So training will be conducted your preferred time. So job guidance, interview preparations, and all those guidance we are providing. So make use of it, guys. So full course for 13K and flash course for 999. So make me a token advance for 1K and send me the screenshot to my given number. If you have any queries and course details, kindly ping to this number. Once you completed the feedback, we end the session. If you have any queries, kindly ask. Once you completed the feedback, we will end the session. So 16 minutes offer is going to be end soon. So make use of this. Okay. Yes, once you completed the feedback form, we can wind up. Certificate will get you in a week. Within a week, you will get a certificate. Give me the proper mail ID. Yes, you get your certificate within your mail. In your mail, you got a certificate. Any other queries, guys? So full course was 13K and flash course for 999 for only 60% offer. Who are attending the webinar, we provide the special offer. And another one more offer is 50% offer. That is 1 week offer. Full course is 50%, 15K, and flash course is 4K for this is for 1 week offer. So once completed the feedback form, we end. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thanks for connecting. If you have any queries, post details, please contact to given number. Yes, thank you. Thank you all. Bye.